So, our today's topic is percentage by mass and percentage by volume. In this topic, we will read 6 subtopics. First is weight by weight percentage, second is weight by volume percentage, volume by volume percentage, mole fraction, parts per million, and parts per billion. We'll read all these subtopics one by one. First one is weight by weight percentage. As its name indicate, in this topic we'll use weight of solute and weight of solution. इस टॉपिक विच सोल्यूट एंड सोल्यूशन दोनों के वेट की ही गल की जाएगी. द फॉर्मूला ऑफ वेट बाय वेट परसेंटेज इज मास ऑफ सोल्यूट अपॉन मास ऑफ सोल्यूशन इंटू 100. परसेंटेज कढ़ने का फॉर्मूला यही होंदा सी 100 के नाल असीं मल्टीप्लाई कर देंदे सी, है ना. सो वेट बाय वेट परसेंटेज इज मास ऑफ सोल्यूट घट अमाउंट के विच हुंदा है, असीं वो रिलेट करके कर सकते हाँ. न्यूमीरेटर के विच जाएगा मास ऑफ सोल्यूशन नीचे इंटू 100. इस चीज़ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਮਝਾਂਗੇ ਇੱਕ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ. ਇੱਕ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਉਹਨੇ ਬੋਲਿਆ ਹੈ ਅ ਸੋਲਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਸੋਡੀਅਮ ਕਲੋਰਾਈਡ ਇਨ ਵਾਟਰ ਇਜ਼ 5% weight ਬਾਈ weight. ਵਾਟਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੋ ਸੋਡੀਅਮ ਕਲੋਰਾਈਡ ਹੈ ਉਹਦਾ ਸੋਲਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਜੋ ਪਰਸੈਂਟੇਜ ਹੈ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ 5%. ਦੈਟ ਮੀਨਸ 5 ग्राम 5 ग्राम sodium chloride is present in 100 gram of solution, that is water. Here we'll calculate one question using this formula. Question is given as 10 gram sucrose is dissolved in 100 gram of water. 100 gram water है, 10 gram sucrose है. Okay, now find weight by weight percentage. We have to calculate weight by weight percentage. The formula of weight by weight percentage is mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. Okay, mass of solute is sucrose, that is 10 gram, but the mass of solution will be formed as solute plus solvent. Solute here is sucrose, solvent here is water. Sucrose is 10 and water is 100, so the mass of solution would be 110 and 10 upon 110 into 100. This will be its answer. You can calculate it. I am giving here one question for you to do. 10 gram of sodium hydroxide is present in 90 gram of solution. This question is very basic. This is the mass of solvent, this is the mass of solution. You just have to put this in the formula and calculate the answer. Okay, this is very basic question. Next question is 10 gram sodium chloride in 100 ml solution. We have 10 gram sodium chloride in 100 ml of solution. Find weight by weight percentage, and density is given, that is 1.2 gram per ml. Now here this is 10 gram, this is 100 ml. We have to calculate weight by weight percentage. We have to calculate weight by weight percentage. Okay, but here only mass of solute is given, mass of solution is not given, but density is given. We'll calculate mass of solution using this density. I hope you will understand what will we do. We'll use the formula of density. Density is equal to mass upon volume. First of all, I write here the formula of weight by weight percentage, that is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100, in which I have put the value of mass of solute and mass of solution is written as it is. Now we will use the formula of density, that is mass upon volume. Density is given as 1.2, mass is written as it is m, I'll let it mass as m, and volume is given as 100 ml. Volume was given as 100 ml. From this we will calculate mass and we'll put it in the formula and we'll calculate the answer. Okay, this can be another form of equation. Second one is volume by volume percentage, in which both the solute and solution's volume will be taken. Okay, this is same as weight by weight percentage. Its formula is also similar, but instead of mass you have to write volume. Volume of solute upon volume of solution into 100. Same will be the questions as weight by weight percentage. Okay, an example is given as a HCl aqueous solution is 7% volume by volume. That means 7 ml of HCl is in 100 ml of solution. Percentage means we have to take in total as 100. Third one is weight by volume percentage, in which weight of solute will be taken and volume of solution will be taken. Weight of solute and volume of solution will be taken. Its formula will be mass of solute, because weight of solute is taken, and volume of solution into 100. Its example is a sugar solution is 3% weight by volume. That means 3 gram of sugar in 100 ml of solution. Okay, we'll calculate this question using this formula. A sugar solution is 10% weight by volume. Find weight by weight percentage. We have given as 10 gram of sugar in 100 ml of solution. We have to calculate weight by weight percentage. First of all, I am writing here the formula of weight by weight percentage. You can write weight of solute or mass of solute. Mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. But weight upon volume is weight of solute upon volume of solution into 100. Now I have to calculate weight of solution, because of weight of solute is given. Weight of solution will be calculated using the formula of density, that is mass upon volume, है ना. Volume is given as 100 ml, density is given as 1.25. we'll put it here and calculate mass of solution. We'll calculate mass of solution and put it in the formula of weight by weight percentage, and our question will be solved. Okay, we were given as 10 gram sugar, 100 ml solution. Weight of solute we have already. Weight of solution is given to us, but we have to calculate weight of solution. Weight of solute is given to us. Volume is given to us. Density was given to us. Density is equal to mass upon volume. Density put की गई, volume put किया गया, and mass calculate करके इत्थे put करके असी आंसर कर लिया. Okay, same as next question is sugar solution. वेट बाय वेट दिता होया है, वेट बाय वॉल्यूम असी कैलकुलेट करना है. शुगर सोल्यूशन 10%, वेट बाय वेट 10% मतलब 10 ग्राम ऑफ शुगर, 10 ग्राम ऑफ शुगर इन 100 ग्राम ऑफ सोल्यूशन. वेट बाय वॉल्यूम विच मैनू ਉਹਦਾ वॉल्यूम चाहिए सी. डेंसिटी गिवन है तो असी उस ही लाइन उपर चलते हुए इत्थे वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट कर लांगे एंड विल पुट इट इन द फॉर्मूला. आई हैव डन प्रॉपर न्यूमेरिकल हेयर. ओके, डेंसिटी तुसी यूज़ करोगे वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट करके इत्थे पुट करके योर आंसर विल बी कैलकुलेटेड इन वेट बाय वॉल्यूम परसेंटेज. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज a solution of HNO3 is 5% weight by weight, that is 5 gram of HNO3 in 100 gram of solution. Find mass of HNO3 present in 100 ml of solution. Density is given. Okay, mass of, we have to calculate what mass of HNO3 in 100 ml solution is. What we have to calculate this. First of all, we'll use the formula of weight by weight percentage, है ना, because we have given as उन्हें क्या 5% weight by weight. Weight by weight percentage the value we have known, mass we have to calculate. Weight by weight the value जो सी that is 5%. Mass of solid we have to calculate. Mass of solution is 140. From where it has been calculated? It has been calculated from the density. Density is equal to mass upon volume. Density's value is given as 1.4. Mass as x and 100 ml solution which उसे calculate करना है, so volume is 100 and we have calculated x as 140 which is the mass of solution, but we have to calculate mass of solute. So mass of solute, when we'll put it 140 here, we'll calculate mass of solute as 7 gram. Okay, now fourth is mole fraction. Mole fraction is denoted by two factors, eta and chi. You can write any of these. Okay, now what is mole fraction? मोल फ्रैक्शन इज़ लाइक सपोज साढ़े को एक सोल्यूशन है, वो दो कंपोनेंट्स ने, है ना, एक ए है एंड एक बी है. ए सॉल्यूट है एंड बी इज़ सॉल्वेंट. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ ए, सपोज नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ ए है 1, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ बी है 3, तो मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ ए विल बी number of moles of A upon total number of moles, and mole fraction of B will be number of moles of B upon total number of moles. किन्ने भी कंपोनेंट्स हो सकते हैं, 3 हो सकते हैं, 4 हो सकते हैं, सब विच यही फॉर्मूला रहना है कि मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ एनी कंपोनेंट, सपोज nth कंपोनेंट द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ दैट nth फैक्टर अपॉन टोटल नंबर ऑफ मोल्स, जिन्ने भी कंपोनेंट्स प्रेजेंट है। मोल फ्रैक्शन इज बेसिकली ईजी थिंग है ना, जस्ट यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स। ओके, we'll calculate this question by using this. I am writing here eta, which represents mole fraction here. 40 grams sodium hydroxide and 54 gram of water is present in a solution. Find mole fraction of sodium hydroxide and mole fraction of water. We just have to calculate number of moles of sodium hydroxide, number of moles of water, and we'll put it in the formula. Number of moles of sodium hydroxide, given mass upon molar mass. Given mass of sodium hydroxide is 40 here, and the molar mass of sodium hydroxide is again 40. So number of moles of sodium hydroxide is 1, and number of moles of water will be calculated as given mass upon molar mass. Given mass is 54 as you can see, and molar mass is 18, and it will be calculated as 3. Number of moles of water is 3. So sodium hydroxide, mole fraction of sodium hydroxide will be 1/4. Number of moles of sodium hydroxide upon total number of moles, you can write it as 0.25. Mole fraction of water will be number of moles of water upon total number of moles, that will be calculated as 0.75. And one thing is here, the mole fraction of both the components, when we'll add them, it will always comes out to be 1. जिन्ने मर्जी कंपोनेंट होण, 3 होण, 4 होण, 5 होण, जिन्ने मर्जी होण, हर वारी उन्हां सारे कंपोनेंट्स की मोल फ्रैक्शन का सम जदों असीं करांगे वो 1 ही आएगा। ओके, वन क्वेश्चन इज देयर। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अ सोल्यूशन हैज़ 46% weight by weight ethanol in water. That means 46 gram of ethanol in 100 gram of solution. Find mole fraction of ethanol. This is the formula of ethanol. You have studied it in the class 10th. Okay, weight by weight percentage means 46 gram of ethanol in 100 gram of solution. A solution is formed here by two components, ethanol that is solute and water that is solvent. Total solution is 100 gram. If the solute is 46 gram, solvent will be 54 gram, है ना? This is understood. Now number of moles of ethanol will be given mass upon molar mass, that coincidentally comes out to be 46. Number of moles here again is 1, and number of moles of water here again is 3. So the mole fraction of ethanol is 1/4, that is 0.25, and water is 3/4, that is 0.75. Okay, fifth part is our parts per million. Million means 10 raised to power 6. Million means 10 raised to power 6. 10 raised to power 6 factor will be used here. Suppose it is given that a solution has sugar 2 ppm, or 2 ppm sugar solution is there. That means in 10 raised to power 6 gram of solution, there is 2 gram of sugar. 2 gram of sugar. Okay, its formula is number of ppm is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 10 raised to power 6. परसेंटेज की थां ते इत्थे जस्ट तुसी 10 raised to power 6 लगा दोगे, क्वेश्चनस उदां दे ही होणगे। सपोज दिस क्वेश्चन इज टेकन एज ऑक्सीजन इज डिजॉल्वड इन वाटर एज, कितनी ऑक्सीजन डिजॉल्वड है 8 into 10 raised to power -4 gram in 100 gram of water. Mass of solute is given, mass of solution is given into 10 raised to power 6. ओके, 10 raised to power 2 ये ऊपर चला जाएगा इंटू 10 raised to power -2, 10 raised to power -2, 10 raised to power 4, 10 raised to power -2. It will be 10 raised to power -6 into 10 raised to power 6, that will be cancelled out. Its answer will be 8 ppm only. Okay, next question is sea water has 53 ppm of sodium carbonate. Sea water है उधर विच sodium carbonate जो है that is 53 ppm. फाइंड मास ऑफ सोडियम कार्बोनेट इन ग्लास ऑफ वाटर। कहते मास कैलकुलेट करके दो ग्लास ऑफ वाटर दे विच। जदों भी असी ग्लास ऑफ वाटर लेंदे हैगे आ हमेशा मन्निया जाता है कि वह 250 ml का होएगा। इट इज़ ऑलवेज कंसिडर्ड कि 250 ml का होएगा एंड वो जी डेंसिटी होएगी दैट विल बी 1 ग्राम पर ml। अगर वॉल्यूम 250 ml है, डेंसिटी इज़ 1 ग्राम पर ml, सो मास विल बी व्हाट 250 ग्राम। मास 250 ग्राम हो जाएगा। मास ऑफ सोल्यूशन पता लग गया, पीपीएम की वैल्यू भी दी हुई है 53, वो असी पुट करके इत्थे मास ऑफ सोल्यूट कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं और तुहाडे कोले वो ग्राम्स दे विच आएगा क्योंकि पीपीएम की वैल्यू तो ऑलरेडी गिवन है। सेम एज पार्ट्स पर बिलियन। पार्ट्स पर बिलियन दे विच जस्ट इत्थे 10⁻9 हो जाता है, अदरवाइज कुछ भी चेंज नहीं है। आई होप तुहानू ये सारा समझ आ गया होएगा। बुक विच क्वेश्चनस सारे चैक करके वो ट्राई कर लो। ओके।